Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can go on game live on your Bigo Live from your PC. To do so, first of all, just open up your Bigo Live on your Google browser and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll be on the home page of Bigo Live. From here you can see an option for home, gaming and live. Select any type of these to watch the type of live you want, but to stream or do a live on your game itself, you just have to go into this connector options and hover over your mouse. Here you can see all of these options pop up like Bigo Live Streamer, Connector, OBS Stream, and iOS and Android. Just go into any of the options that you have currently on your laptop. Let's say you have a Bigo Live Streamer, just click onto Bigo Live Streamer and it will take you to a different page. Where now if you have it downloaded, it will show you a different option to stream your screen. Right now it's showing for me to download, as I have not downloaded. If you download this, you'll be able to stream your screen or any type of game or application that you have opened up on your laptop. But if you have a OBS stream, if you go onto OBS stream, you can see this kind of option again pop up, where if you have already downloaded OBS, you'll be able to stream your screen as you are doing on your OBS, where you can record your screen and do a live on your Bigo Live. And that's how you can do a gaming live on your Bigo Live app. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.